Today we are talking about the upcoming smartphone LG G7 ThinQ. The flagship LG G7 ThinQ appeared on a high-quality render. Known for his knowledge, Evan Blass through a Twitter account under the nickname EvLeaks published a high-quality render of the upcoming smartphone LG G7 ThinQ, yet not officially submitted by the manufacturer. The image shows the smartphone from all sides. Render confirmed the frameless design with a cutout screen in the style of the iPhone X and a metal frame. At the top edge is a SIM card slot. On the left side there are volume buttons and a special button to access the Google Assistant voice assistant. The power button is located on the right edge, and not on the rear panel, like the predecessors. On the back, there is a double camera with a vertical organization and a fingerprint scanner. On the lower edge are a 3.5mm connector and a USB Type-C port, as well as a speaker. The company LG Electronic presented at the February exhibition MWC 2018 smartphone LG V30s ThinQ, which, in fact, is last year's LG V30 with the artificial intelligence ThinQ integrated into the most frequently used functions. As expected, LG G7 will have the capabilities of artificial intelligence LG V30s ThinQ and updated hardware platform. At the same time, the cost of LG G7 will be higher by about €80 compared to its predecessor, LG G6, reaching €700. According to earlier leaks, the smartphone is equipped with a 6-inch display with a resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels, a 19.59 aspect ratio and an iPhone-style screen cutout, an 8-megapixel front camera, a dual 16 plus 16 megapixel main camera, a fingerprint scanner on the back panel. Hardware base was the top processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, 4 or 6 GB of operating, and 64 or 128 GB of internal flash memory. The older version will receive 6 and 128 GB of memory. The battery has a capacity of 3000 mAh. LG has already announced the date of the announcement of its next flagship smartphone. The press event is scheduled for May 2, 2018, and will be held in New York and Seoul. For more updates and news about LG G7 ThinQ, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. Thanks for watching.